Want passive income? Got a computer and an internet connection? You've come across the right video for you. This method works for anyone around the world. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Hey guys, here I am again with another online money method just for you guys. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how you could mine 1 Bitcoin within just 45 minutes, which is so huge. This method is new, and I haven't talked about this at all before. So keep on watching so you could try this on your own as well. Before we start, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. If you want to be notified whenever we upload new content, then hit the notification bell. Like and share this video to your family and friends so more people could benefit from this very great method. I'm going to be introducing several sites, so make sure to listen carefully and follow the steps I will be telling you so you won't be lost or confused along the way. The first site that you have to go to is called bitcoin.org. When you get to the site's homepage, you'll see 3 buttons that you can choose from. The reason why we went to the site is to know which wallet is the most suitable for you. To do that, click the middle button that says Choose Your Wallet. Once you click that, you will have to answer a survey that consists of just 4 questions. Answer these questions truthfully so you'll get the best results. Don't worry because the questions are very simple. The first question that you have to answer is what your operating system is. The next one asks you how much you know about Bitcoin. Answer these questions honestly. It's fine because all of these questions are being asked for you to have the wallet that is the most suitable for you. The next 2 questions ask you what criteria and features you'd want for your wallet to have. If you're satisfied with your answers and you're done answering, you will see what they think is the best wallet for you. For the sake of this video, for example, we got the wallet Electrum. Click on that and you will be led to a page where you'll see everything you need to know about this wallet. You may read everything here, and when you're done, you can now go ahead and click this button here that says Visit Website. You will be redirected to Electrum's website where you can download their software. Now, you have your very own Bitcoin wallet. Before I reveal the last website, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this, and turn our notifications on if you don't want to miss out on our future uploads. Now, you will have to go to the next site that I will be introducing, and it's called bitcoin-live.app. In this site, you can earn Bitcoins by doing simple tasks, such as completing surveys, watching ads, testing apps and sites, and many more. Another great thing about this site is that it has an affiliate feature. When you click this affiliate tab up here, you will be able to generate your very own affiliate link. When you send this to other people and they push through with this site, you will be able to earn up to 70% of their deposits. The next thing that I'll be teaching you guys is how to sign up to this website. To do so, you have to click on this pricing tab up here. Now you'll see 3 options that you can choose from. As you can see, these options aren't free. You'll have to pay a bit to continue using the site. But don't go ahead and choose the cheapest one. Let's calculate which one you'll be able to earn more with. The first one may seem appealing because it's the cheapest, but I don't really recommend this option because you're gonna have to buy the subscription every day to keep it working. The second one, although it seems great because it's labeled as the best seller, it may let you earn a lot weekly, but you'd also have to buy it every week, which will cost you a lot in the long run. Now, look at this last option. It may seem expensive because it costs the most, but you won't have to pay for anything for another month. You will only have to pay for this every month, unlike the 2 previous options. So I really recommend that you opt for this one because you'll save up more money in the long run. Once you've picked which subscription you'd want to avail, you will have to link your cryptocurrency wallet here on this website. And you're all set. If you were able to reach up to this part of the video, then I hope this method works for you. If you get confused or anything, don't hesitate to comment down below and I'll try to answer your questions. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked this, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the subscribe and notification bell button for more videos like this one. I'll see you again soon with another online money hacks. Thanks for watching!